Uh,
This is my student Jacek, and he is a Polish learner, and he is an intermediate level because he knows how to express himself well already, although sometimes he has some bad choice of words, and that's why we are developing his vocabulary as well.
Culture says that you should eat earlier than 18 o'clock, but no one respects that, and everyone is doing whatever he wants.
This will be our topic. This is the original preview of the lesson, Time Online. And okay, so let's start this topic. So first we will have this
What do you want to learn online?
yes, online. Like generally, you have all your resources, you have your computer, you have every technology that you could choose from. So what do you want to learn online?
That's the same question. What do I want to
I
learn?
customize his
Doesn't
lesson
matter if it's
because
online or
he
offline.
is a direct student.
I don't
So
want to learn
I
anything.
also would like,
That's-
or I also prefer to
that's-
customize
that's
lesson for my
surely
direct
thing
students
that's
because
true for everyone.
they pay
No one
high,
wants to learn.
and I want to make sure that we also cover everything like
If I have to
vocabulary,
answer this
grammar,
question, I don't know.
listening,
There's a lot of
every
stuff to
English
learn, but I
practices,
don't want to learn
so
any
that
of it.
you know the money that they are spending
Because
in learning with
learning
me
is
will be
boring
worth it.
and it's very you got the idea, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Study math.
I hate a grammar, especially in my language.
Yeah. Funny how we find it like that, right? Our grammar in our local language, it's so hard.
I don't know how is in your language, but in my language is very hard and also make no sense because I can speak in Polish. I know how to answer someone. I know how to ask someone. I know everything how to speak in Polish. So why I got to study that? I mean, for me it's making no sense. That's such a waste of time. You know, I've born in Polish. I know how to speak. I know how to write. So that makes no sense why I'm still learning this, and I don't like this.
Right, I agree. So, if ever that you wanted to learn online, I mean, you really wouldn't want to waste time, or I mean, like spend your precious time like learning something online or offline. I mean, probably you've been studying really well that if you had like that extra time, you wouldn't want to spend that learning online.
I got the issue. I would do that, but I'm not playing on the computer. I'm playing on the console. So like my brother is PC player. That means in short personal computer player. So he can do something like press one button and then he's in game, press second button and then he's back into a chat. You know.
Oh,
And like,
maybe
now I also can do this. I can just simply launch Google or anything what I want to do, right? But only on a computer. I'm playing on an Xbox, so I cannot do this. You know, I
right.
can't. So
You can multitask.
I wish I could do that, but I can't.
But that is like multitasking. Like maybe there's like shift shift and then that
Yeah.
you could do
Yeah, you
something.
can- I, yeah, I I'm working at the moment at Windows 10, so if I will press Alt and Tab at the same time, I'm at the Google at the previous app that I opened. So that might be the same. That's the same with game. If you got the lessons online, you're playing at the lessons, then your mom comes in and you're
You can just do the Alt tab.
yeah, and everything's fine.
Let's learn some words here as well.
And send that for everyone. I usually doing something like this, that I'm inviting friends that I want to play with. I'm inviting there to my party, and in this party we're speaking to each other. But I also can text with random player.
Or like send a message to random players, regardless of
Yeah.
what game you're playing and what he is playing.
You know what? That depends on a platform, because at Xbox, imagine that Xbox is similar to Messenger. You got the Messenger on your phone probably. So you're choosing people and you can instantly send him a message. No matter what he's playing at the moment or what he's doing at the moment, you can just do this. You can also send him message, but in a game. That's different between normal message and message in a game. Message in a game is that it's a little bit different. I don't know how to explain that, but if I will send message in a game to someone, he can only see it once. But if I would send a message to someone not in a game, he can just
It's
answer.
like kind of
this.
weird for that person. Like, why is it sending me a message? Or
No, usually these are not good messages. No, they are not good. I mean, the words are not good in this message. Like, yeah, the trash words. That's the gaming environment.
oh, okay, I see.
It's
Like some trash
the
words.
people. Yeah, usually kids get raged. Also, they are getting nervous since they are losing, and they are trash messaging everyone. I don't like this type of guys, so I'm usually getting them down.
But they just send to random people.
It's like, yeah, they in a game there is something like KDR. It means kill death ratio. So that's, for example, if you kill somebody, your KD is 1. If you kill somebody once and you will die once, your KD is 0.5. That's math. And they are trying to have as highest KD as they want.
They also love playing games. Okay, so anyway, what about this? Let's also share something about these.
What are some useful apps you're using for learning?
Yeah, is there something different? Like here we have like dictionary.
So Google Translator, we also have that.
Google. What about the app? Like those
Yeah,
that you're
the
downloading.
Google Translator app. I got app on my phone. That's not the same. I got app like app. That's app. That's not in internet. So
It's not a website. On a
No,
website.
yeah. It's not a
Oh.
website. It's an app.
How can you use that? I mean, like, literally just a translator, or you could
Mm-hmm.
use something.
Yeah, literally just a translator.
But it's an
That's-
accurate translator. I mean,
Yeah, you know, that's the Google Translator app, and it also has something like if I'm in a, I don't know, for example, Chinese restaurant, I'm opening the menu and I have no clue what's in there, and then I'm taking a photo of this menu, and the Google Translator is translating every.
oh no, because usually what I talk to like Polish people in Hello Talk, maybe because I set it up like that, you know.
Yeah, I see. But
Sharing food culture. Yeah, this is one way to. There's even one posting, like kind of a news feed as well. So I really love this
but
Polish community, and then some